So we've had a nice chill morning. We walked the dog. We've just been sorting stuff. Gave the van a bit of a clean.
Clean the dog.
Clean the dog because he found the puddle and decided this is where I'm going to live now. So we're going to go into Wellington, getting the bus in.
Yeah.
We're going to go to the market.
Yeah, there's a harbourside market. So we're going to go there, find some lunch, and then maybe get the cable car up to the Botanic Garden while it's nice and sunny.
Yeah. So yeah, come along.
I've been pacing my pace, you come to coffee. I've been making my makers say what I'm offering. We've all had behaviors and they were troubling. Smoke way too much, I keep coughing. I pull out all the stops to make a profit. When I get down to the bottom, I need top.
Way more here than I thought there would be.
My mind be my corner pin. Let me chuck this thing and be proud of it. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you on the cloud and you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on the force, when you use the force, there's no problem. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you on the cloud and you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on the force, when you use the force, there's no problem.
You don't often see Chilean food. Exciting.
Boysenberry ice cream, trying for the first time. Yum.
We got a roti. The satay chicken roti.
Yeah, from roti roll. Big cube.
Big cube.
Guy was really nice.
Dude was nice. Sold us.
Looks good. Tasty.
So when Baxter chases and eats his tail, it means he's getting riled up.
You want to go for a walk?
Yes. What?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go for the walk. Didn't open it since last time, so.
No puddles.
Yes, last time he jumped in the puddle. Much to our dismay. Much to our dismay. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy, excited. Who's an excited puppy? Baxter. Come on. Come on. Here he comes. So this is our evening activity of trying to get Baxter to go to bed. Come on, let's go. Come on. Baxter. Boop. Boop. Hello and good evening. Alex and I are taking Baxter out for a walk, and we're gonna try and walk to the beach, which I think is about 15 minutes. We just gotta go that way. So yeah, he has a habit of walking himself with his lead. So. But yeah, we've had a productive day. I cut my hair, we sorted parts of the van. I've been editing. Alex went into Wellington to drop her boots off because her boots that we normally wear had a bit of a hole in the actual leather. So I also sorted my boots. But yeah, let's go see what the beach is like. We hope it's this way. We're racing the sun. We got nice views. We gotta go all the way up over. Found a stick. A good sign of more fish. We can see the water. So we're definitely getting there. stairs or down the road. He's racing ahead.
And sit. This is not a muddy puddle.
Come on, let's go.
Walking back.
Dumplings and noodles, dumplings and noodles. And a sleepy, sleepy dog. Sleepy dog. Baxter. You have dinner. Anyway, our dinner. And a nice one. Let's go pick up the dog.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, hello. Hello, good morning. There's something about a golden retriever. You're just special, aren't you, mate? Another day, another walk. We're going to the beach we went to yesterday. And, thank you. Something to blur. No, so we're gonna go down there, head back, have some lunch, sort a few bits in the van, and then probably take him out for another longer walk. Just because he gets 2 walks a day, but it's a bit nicer to take him for a longer walk, I think. But unlike yesterday, the weather is definitely looking a little bit more suspect. So we're trying to avoid the rain, which is supposed to be coming in the evening and for the next couple of days. So yeah.
Got a stick and got the water. This is what he likes to do at the beach. Finding various sticks to eat. Baxter!
Hey, so we came down to Breaker Bay and we are bringing Baxter out for a bit of a walk. We are doing the Eastern Walkway, which should be about, I think, an hour and a half, something like that. We drove here, which was alright. We took the house sitter's car. They told us we can, just so he's kind of knew the space and knew to expect to go in the car. But no, now we're gonna go and go for a walk. It's a pretty nice view. And we wanted to get out today because the weather's turning. See, I would be a postie if I got one of those. Postie bike. C90 or C110 or C125.
Have to climb up to get to the Eastern Walkway, which means lots of stairs. Made it to the top. Lovely views over the bay.
Point of view, you're walking down. But there's lots of stairs.
Onto the top. Going that way. And then we walk back along the road.
Yeah. Eastern Walkway. You can see Wellington through the trees. We're going this way. pretty nice. Just very up and down. As expected, Baxter made it up the hill. Bit of huffing and puffing, but he's doing alright. To be fair, I think Alex and I feel the same. Bit of huffing and puffing, but we're doing alright. Now we're slowly walking down. It's been nice, it's just been a bit like that, and now it's kind of mellowed out. But it is really pretty. What you can't see, actually if I point this way you'll see in a second. Oh, a little bit further. There we go. We've got nice views along. So yeah, really nice walk. So yeah, that's the airport. Down there is Lyle Bay. That is where we went for breakfast the other day at the surf club place, which is still really nice. So we think we made it to the top. Treated to some really, really nice views. A bit blustery. We've had a very hot dog, gave him a bit of water. Whew, I might lose my hat. Boop. We've come from up there, down here. Pretty nice beach. Now we're just walking along the coast, which will then take us eventually back to the car. We can head back. I reckon as soon as we get back, he's gonna splat down because he's been pulling. Having a good time, met a few dogs. Yeah.
Made it down, walking back to the car. So many nice little bays with nice houses on them, like this part of Wellington. Treated ourselves with from the walk with a birthday cake and a Vietnamese coffee ice cream. Baxter's had a big drink, very thirsty. It's a very rainy morning, but we thought if we're going to be wet anyway, might as well bring him to the beach, because at least it's not muddy here.
So tonight is our last full night with this boy here, so we're going to go to the pub. Now, it's been a pretty miserable day weather-wise all day. We took him out this morning and got soaked. But now that it's a bit drier, we would thought we'd take him out for a wander and swing by the pub. Is that right? Is that right? Yeah, let's take some water.
This is a video.
We're at the pub at Baxter.
Come to Double Vision Brewery. Yeah. Outside.
Baxter, can you go buh? Buh. I would like to present to you the picture of Grace. Oh, he flipped. Hello. 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 Belly, 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 belly. Oh, haha, this side now. Oh. Hello. Oh yeah. Baxter's very cute. No, we're not gonna go bitey. Good morning.
Hi.
So today is our final day with Buddy here, Baxter, and we are just taking him out for a walk. Where you got? Come on. Yeah. Yesterday was a lot worse rain-wise. Today's not too bad. But we're still going to take him to the beach because he's going to get wet anyway, and at least at the beach he doesn't get muddy. So that's the plan. His owner comes back at 4 today or so. So we've got a bit of time during the day to sort stuff. We need to put everything back in the van, that sort of thing. And then we're actually probably going to go freedom camp at the beach later this evening. And then we've got the next house sit tomorrow. So yeah, it's getting there. good fun. Alright, let's go for this.
Last morning at the beach. Here he comes.
Quite sure how this has happened, but I will fit.
He put himself there.
I will fit. So we're just waiting for Baxter's owner. Yes, okay. I'm gonna lean back. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we're just waiting for Baxter's owner to come. Thank you. So we can then hand them over, and we will be on our way. We need to go shopping just for a bit of food, and then we're going to go park at the beach at the Freedom Place there, because there's a 24-hour bathroom. And then tomorrow we head to Upper Hut to go look after another 2 dogs and a cat, but only for a couple days. But yeah, he's been a good boy. He's been good. You've been good, haven't you? Yes, I've been good. What is it about dogs that make you do stupid voices? I don't know. But yeah. Say goodbye, Baxter.
And actual funky deliciousness.
What are you doing, Baxter?
That's what I'm talking about. Oh no. Let's go again. It's ridiculous.
Where have you gone? Hello. Oh, floppity floppity flop. Floppity floppity flop. Parked up for the evening at Warsaw Bay. Just a bit nicer than Evans Bay. A bit quieter hopefully as well. Had some ice cream. Have a wander.
You're gonna get hit by the... Who is it?